Hello everyone, welcome to Meghalaya Cuisine. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you the recipe of cooking banana flour and papaya flour. Here we'll be using some potatoes, onions, garlic and chilies. First of all, we need to add salt over this papaya flour and then smash it. After smashing it, we'll need to squeeze it. We do this process to remove bitterness from this papaya flour. But for those who like to eat bitter food, you can skip this process and you can just wash and fry it. But since we don't like to eat bitter food, we are doing this process to remove bitterness from it. These are the banana blossom. This is also known as banana flour. We need to remove those hard portions which is inside and then use only the soft portion. Banana flour is packed with essential minerals such as phosphorus, calcium, potassium, copper, magnesium and iron. So friends, please do try out this recipe because it's good for your health. Banana flour is slightly bitter and starchy, so in order to remove its starchiness, we will need to add a little bit of salt and squeeze it. After when we have squeezed the banana flour and papaya flour, we need to wash it, but this process is not shown in video. So now let's start with the frying process. Here I have added oil in the pan and these are the ingredients which is required. Here we have onions, papaya flour, banana flour, potatoes. Now I'll add this cumin seed in the hot oil and wait till it becomes golden brown. And once when it gets brown very properly, I'll add onions, chilies, in order to add its color, I'm using turmeric powder. I've added potatoes. Now I'm adding salt. You can add salt according to your taste. Now I'll fry it for a few minutes, after which I'll add the banana flour. So now I'm adding the banana flour on top of the potatoes. I have washed it already, but the washing process is not shown in the video. And on top of it, I'm adding the papaya flour. Here, I'm stirring it very properly so that it won't stick at the bottom. I'm adding some tomatoes over it. This is a very easy and healthy recipe. It doesn't take much time to be cooked. It takes only like 30 to 25 minutes to be cooked. Please do try this healthy recipe. Believe in me, this is very delicious and it is overloaded with many nutritive values. If you like this video, please do give a thumbs up and also do share with your family and friends. And if you are new to this channel, please do remember to subscribe so that you won't miss updates. Thanks for watching.